Good morning to each and every one of us. Well, in behalf of the Honorable City Mayor, Mayor Hindi Waminal Jr., who is very busy good. This morning we were at the Holigay, releasing of the covered court, and then all other activities. Ito siya na akong ganiha. Tita, please proceed to Royal Garden. Kung saan mo dito? Hindi siya na. There will be an activity of being martials of the area at mga firemen. Hindi madungog ka na ba? Motong I came over with an empty hands. Wala yung kabalukod siya akong isutuwat. Anyway, sa tinood lang, he has all the desire to meet with you and greet you because you are the unsung heroes of Osamis City, ang ating family. It has been his greatest desire to extend his heartfelt congratulations to each and every one of you. And he told me, Tita, just extend to him my sincere congratulations on the occasion of the 51st Fire Service Recognition Day today. Well, anyhow, he told me, my heart is with them because they are really exerting their extra effort to maintain the safety of Osamis City. Palakpakan nato. That has been recognized by the Honorable City Mayor, Mayor Hindi Waminal Jr. and the rest of the members of the Sangguniang Panglungsod. Amo yun ang recognize ang inyong untiring effort to maintain safe ang atong syudad sa Osamis. With that, saludo mi kaninyo. And aside from that, he told me, kung whatever assistance that we can possibly extend to them, please tell them that we are always at their right. We are always in support kung saan ang kailangan mo. And we are also grateful, yun siya nga, kamo and all other sectors who are also supporting the services of the PNP firemen nga for sure kung wala'y collaborative effort maglisod kayo ang Osamis City to maintain the peace and safe sa atong mga safety ang atong mga constituents. He made mention some of the individuals nga anaa sa kanunay working behind and supporting behind our PNP firemen. Kaninyo, you know very well nga kung kinsa mo, usa niya na example is our very good attorney in Fernandez. Sa kanunay nagpaluyo Mr. C. Brad, salamat kayo. Ang ato mga awardee, karong mga buntaga, ang some of our barangay captain, salamat kayo. With your strong support sa ato mga lumilihok sa fire department. Aron maayod yun ang serbisyo sa ato mga firemen. Acknowledging the collaborative effort that we have here in Osamis City and with the leadership of our Honorable Mayor, there is no reason for Osamis City that we will not be living safe. Palakpakan na to. And of course, with the guidance of our Almighty Father, He is always with us to look down upon us for our safety. Ang atong langit ng Ama niya sa kanunay naglantaw ka nato uban ni Mama Mary ang atong birhen sa kuta nga sa kununay na kapaluyo kanunay kanato in all of our endeavors here in Osamis City. We deeply acknowledge that. Atong palakpakan ang atong pagkakuan and for birhen sa kuta, working with us always, protecting us, especially ang atong mga people in uniform. There was a story before. How did Mama Mary birhen sa kuta work and protect our men in uniform? Di na lang ako isulti. Si Atty. Fernandez na lang masumpay, ana. Kaya it will take us one day sa pag-istorya ni ana. But there is story behind it. A true story. How did Mama Mary sa birhen sa kuta nga nagprotektar sa ato mga men in uniform? Palakpakan nato. And this morning, kami sa Sangguniang Panglungsod, and of course with the leadership of our Honorable Mayor, the administration of Waminal, gikan sa atong Governor Henry is Waminal, ang atong Congressman Ando Waminal, ingon man si Mayor Indy Waminal, we are all in our strong support to the people working behind the safety of Osamis and Misamis Occidental. Palakpakan nato sila. We can really feel kung unsa ang ilang support kanato. Just recently I heard the tremendous support from LGU providing vehicles and all the needed armaments and implements para yun perform nato ang atong respective duties efficiently and effectively. Congratulations! Kaninyong tanan. Among yun na, it has been our desire na we can always provide you with all your needed support, sir. So, I think that's all for me. Kaya makasulti niya kung dili maayo. But lastly, ingon siya, ang akong pinaskuhan nila, iyan ako nung ipaulahi. I-surprise na mo ni Mayor Roy. I-surprise na mo ni Mayor. Naagid na sa iyang kasing-kasing. Sa ginagmay man paagi na he can deeply acknowledge your effort for peace and safety of Osamis City. So I think that is the very good news. Ito yun, usama ko isulti nila yun. Kinahanglan na we just work together, collaborative effort to maintain the safety of Osamis City. Kung ako na yung bahala nila. Oh, thank you, Mayor. And we request each and everyone.
Once again, thank you for representing our City Mayor of Osamis City, Honorable Henry Indy Waminal Jr. Thank you so much, Vice Mayor Simplicia Oneri. Thank you so much, ma'am. And of course, ma'am, please send our heartfelt thanks to our City Mayor sa Pinaskuhang Madawa. A very big round of applause to our city government officials. This time, we will award the plaque of appreciation to, of course, our City Mayor, ably represented by our Vice Mayor Simplicia Oneri. Thank you so much for your heartfelt and inspiring words. Thank you for your support. Thank you for the Mama Mary story. Kaunta mulantod hangtod sa kahanturan. Thank you so much. This plaque of appreciation is given to Honorable Attorney Henry Indy F. Waminal Jr., the City Mayor of Osamis City, ably represented by our Vice Mayor Simplicia Oneri, in grateful acknowledgement for imparting his invaluable insights and inspirations, and of his distinguished and valuable service rendered as a guest of honor and speaker during the 51st Fire Service Recognition Day with the theme A Tribute to our noble heroes, given this 13th day of December in the year of our Lord 2024 at Royal Gardens, Ozamis City, Misamis Occidental. Of course, signed by our Provincial Fire Marshal, Fire Senior Superintendent Gregorio S. Elbambo, DSC. Diba? Kung ang atong mayor, man of action, ang atong vice mayor, a woman of service. Ana sila sa success sa isa ka lalaki, nagpaluyo ang isa ka tita. Of course, thank you so much. If our mayor is a man of integrity, ang atong vice mayor, a woman of compassion. If atong mayor, a man of leadership, ang atong vice mayor, a woman of resilience, diba? Thank you so much. And once again, a very big round of applause for our vice mayor, Leticia Oneri. This time, we would like to have this photo opportunity to with